Hey guys, I welcome you all to Bhadra Academy. So in this very session, we are going to observe this very topic which is mentioned in your syllabus, that is agro-processing industries. We are going to talk about agro-processing industries. So what agro-processing industries are? See, it's simply, just see the definition. Agro means agricultural products, whichever is being produced. We just probably process it. Now, why agriculture? Why in industry will process the agricultural raw materials? Of course, to probably to value add something to it, right? Yes, absolutely. That is what it is said, that these industries are those industries that processes the agricultural raw material. It may be a potato is processed to make chips out of it, yeah. Then comes, it may be a corn is processed to manufacture, popcorn out of it. Is that clear? So yes, these industries are those industries which processes the raw material. It may be anything for that matter, right? And it is converted into value added products. Now, why these are converted to value added products? In order to enhance the shelf life or utility or marketability. For example, consider that there is a lemon, kaji nemu, or anything, any lemon in India for that matter, right? What is the shelf life of a lemon if you keep it in your home? Probably 20 days, 15 to 20 days, hardly 10 to 15 also, that is a shelf life, right? But if you convert this lemon into a pickle, its shelf life increases probably to a few months to probably 1 year as well. Yeah. So what is this? We are value adding on the raw material. What was the raw material in this case? Yes, the raw material was a piece of lemon that has been converted into a pickle, right? So we are value adding on it now. This is the clear definition of what is agro processing industries. I hope that this is clear. Now, why agriculture processing industries are formed for that matter? See, the main thing is that agriculture processing industries are very, very beneficial. It is beneficial from the fact that it reduces our post harvest losses. Yes. Second is, it enhances the farmer's income. Yes, it enhances it. It generates the rural employment. Yes, in rural area it does, because industries are set up, so of course it needs labor, right? It promotes export competitiveness. Yes, it does, because we are producing more and more of this thing, right? Then comes, it strengthens the supply chains and food security, of course, and it drives the rural industrialization. So yes, these are the areas which are very, very beneficial for like if we set up these industries, that is agro processing industries. So I hope that this has given you a brief idea of what an agro processing industries is and what are the benefits of these agro processing industries. So this was all about the discussion. I hope that you got an insight view of it. Thank you.